What's good, y'all? Welcome. These lights have my face looking like plastic. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I definitely missed y'all. Y'all have really been getting on me on Instagram to make another video. Today I'm going to be testing out the Wetline Xtreme. I have been trying to get my hands on it, couldn't find it for a minute, and then my sister had some and she was like, hey, yeah, I have some. Do you want to use mine? I was like, yeah. Finally got my hands on some Wetline Xtreme. So my hair has been washed, conditioned. Now I'm about to use this leave-in. It's a Shea Moisture silicone-free miracle style leave-in treatment. I ran out of my favorite leave-in, which right now is the Pattern Beauty one that on my last video I did a review of it. That's my favorite leave-in, but I ran out. I need to get more. I'm just gonna use this. Now I don't know how it's gonna do. I don't know how it's gonna perform in my hair, but we're gonna see. But yeah, y'all, if y'all watch my Instagram lives, yeah, I was talking to some of y'all, and I know I was telling y'all that, like, you know, sometimes I'll be struggling trying to think of like what videos to do since I've already done so many. But like, honestly, what I thought about was like, sometimes, you know, like, well, one thing I know I could do is product reviews, right? So that's one thing. But you know how sometimes like you'll hear advice or something, but you really need to hear it like a couple times before you actually get it, you know. And I just realized, like, you know, that's okay, you know. And so I was like, if I have to make the same video that I made 3 years ago again to make an updated version of it, but also because maybe this time around whoever hears it was ready to receive that information, and like now they'll actually take it and use it and apply it. I'm like, what's wrong with that? You know, nothing. So I just have to get out of my own way, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all, so I'm back. I'm gonna be uploading a lot more. Also, this plant is new. It's not new, but we got our carpets cleaned, and so my mom put it in my room because it's like right outside my door, and it's become a part of the room. So I got the leave-in all in. Now I'm about to section off the back part of my hair, start there. Also, y'all, I've been doing TikToks. I'm trying to get TikTok famous, so follow me on TikTok. Also, y'all, another thing that I'm doing is kind of giving myself room to be 21. You know, like, I feel like I'm always on 20. I'm always in the position, like, I'm always home, like I'm 30, 40 years old, like, just because I have a business, I have businesses and like so many responsibilities and stuff like that. But I'm like, you know what? I would hate to be older and like regret not taking this time that I'm freaking 21 to be 21. You know, if you guys watch Gary Vee or you're a fan of Gary Vee, like, he talks about that. He's like, you know, my only regret, I don't have no regrets, but my only regret is that I wish I would have lived a little more when I was younger, because all he did was work, you know. He was like, I wish I would have like had some fun, you know, while I was younger. And I'm like, yeah, you know, that's me right now. And I don't want to, I really don't want to get to like be older and like just look back and be like, dang, I wish I would have had more fun when I was 20. So I mean, I'm still working, you know, still hustling, still on my grind, but I'm also, you know, I'm just starting to like change my mindset a little bit. I don't know if change my mindset is the right word, but like, for example, one of the things that I want to start doing is like have like a group of friends, and like we actually spend a lot of time together, because that's one thing. Like, I have friends, I have some great friends, but we don't spend a whole lot of time together, you know, stuff like that. And like, I noticed like with a lot of I really admire people, like friendships, like people's friendships who like they hang out a lot and like they do things together a lot. Like go out to a movie on a random day, just go, you know. Like for me, with my friends, it's like, if it's not playing, we're not doing anything, you know. And it's like, I just kind of want to live. I just don't want to. It's not that the way I'm living right now is bad, but I don't want to get to later in my life and be like, you know, I wish I would have had a little more fun. I wish I would have hang out with friends more. I wish I would have went to the bar with my friends or stuff like that, you know. I just don't want to look back and be like, dang, I wish I would have, you know. So I'm starting to like I know this summer, once this whole quarantine situation is over, I really want to go to California, to LA again, and I want to get roller skates. I want to just roller skate through LA on a summer night, like with some friends, get an Airbnb together. We could go take some dance classes. Like I just want to have fun, you know, and like I have fun, but like I want to start having fun with other people more. You know what I'm saying? Some of y'all are gonna get exactly what I'm saying. You're gonna be like, yep, I'm glad. Some of y'all haven't been saying that to me. Y'all be like, have fun. I'm like, I do have fun, but it's a different type of fun. You know what I'm saying? And then I do also have some time where I relax, and that's fun for me too. But I do want to like just have. I guess the big thing is I really want to like have like different relationships in my life. You know what I'm saying? Like all my relationships are like friends or like business, but I don't have any like deep friend like type relationship. I don't know if this is making sense at all, but somebody understands what I'm saying. And that was a part of one of the things why I was like, I really love my YouTube people, y'all, because y'all kind of keep me young. You know, yeah, you do have some YouTube people who are just like ignorant, but a lot of y'all are like, you know, you have fun. Like we have fun. Like we really like you know, in the comments and stuff like that on Instagram, like we really be like having fun. Y'all kind of just keep me kind of grounded, you know what I'm saying? Like I've always felt like YouTube was the place where I could just go, I can tell y'all everything. Like sometimes I tell y'all stuff before I tell anybody in my like personal life, you know? Like I just feel like, I don't know, I have a special connection with my YouTube people. So if you're supporting my channel, I appreciate you. I'm so grateful for you. That's why when I tell y'all like, thank you so much for watching, you know, and the fact that you're spending your time with me, I don't think y'all understand like how much I really do appreciate y'all being here, like what y'all really do for me. You know, like it's not just making videos, it's not just getting views on a video or having subscribers, but like literally like y'all, like my YouTube is like my place to go. I don't want to say to escape, but like it's just like another home for me. And so yeah, like when I say I really appreciate everybody who supports me and watches my channel. Like it goes deep, like it's deep. So I'm actually really excited to be back filming. I was talking on my live yesterday saying that one thing I want to do is I really want to like go on tour. Like that's always been a dream of mine, like to just go on tour. I don't really know what for, but we had an idea yesterday on my live to do a birthday tour. So my birthday is December 16th, and so we thought like, what if I could figure it out and December 1st starting December 1st, and it goes all the way out through December. Each week I come to a different city and we do like something. Like maybe I'll have a show, or like maybe we'll just have a meetup or something. I don't know what, but like something along the lines of that. Yeah, so I thought about doing that because I've always wanted to like have like go on tour. Like that just sounds so like a dream to me. And I don't really know how, you know, like how it's gonna happen, what's gonna be like, or what we're gonna do, or anything right now. But I do have an idea of where I'm gonna go. So like I said, one place a week in December. So I know one place for sure I gotta come is Richmond, Virginia, because I have a lot of subscribers on here. A lot of y'all on my YouTube channel are from Richmond. It's more than I would have expected. So I gotta come to Richmond. Another place I have to come is New York. There's been quite a few times where I've gone to New York and I've been stopped. Like people say, oh, do you have a YouTube channel? Oh my God, I watch your YouTube videos. You know, so New York is another place that I definitely want to go. Another place that I want to go that I heard a lot of you guys are from is Georgia. I've heard a lot of you guys are in Georgia. So I want to come to Georgia. And then the last place, I got to figure out where I want to go. I want to go to LA, but I don't feel like I have a lot of subscribers in LA. And I'm like, I want to go on tour to meet y'all, you know? So like, I don't want to just go somewhere just because it sounds cool. Like I'll go to LA, but like for my tour day, like I want to go to a location where y'all are actually at, you know? So if y'all don't mind, actually comment down below where you guys live, like where do you live, because I would love to come and meet y'all, you know? So let me know, where do y'all live? Because how fun would that be? I'll be turning 22. That would be so dope. That would literally be a dream come true for me. Like I said, I'm so grateful for everybody here, and I'm so excited for like where we're going together, you know, me and you know, like this channel is about to level up, you know, my social media is about to level up. Like I'm really taking this serious now. Like literally I've been having conversations with myself during this whole quarantine, like Kobe, you know you're capable of it. Like, you know you're capable and able to do anything. My dad always told me that you can do anything you want in this world if you just really put your mind to it, like really, really. And I'm like, Kobe, you know you can do this. Like, you know this is your dream, like to be known, you know, to like be a, like I've always had a dream like being a celebrity, like super famous, like everybody knows me, you know, like that's so cool. And then I can use like my positivity and like my energy and just spread it to more people, you know. And like that's always been a dream of mine, like ever since I was a little, I mean like 4 years old, like little. And like, you know, my dad always says like you can really do anything you want, like you just have to really put your mind to it. And like I know this, so like why am I playing with myself? Like, why am I holding back on my potential? You know what I'm saying? So that's been a dream of mine. And like I just really have, like, that's the thing, like I just really have, like, this social media thing, this whole personal brand thing could be so much bigger if I would just take it serious. If I would just act as if the dream has already happened, it's already been promised, and now all I have to do is just, like, I have to act as if there's no way I could fail. Like, if there was no way I could fail, what would I be doing? Like, you know, like what would I be doing to get where I'm trying to go? Like, I would do whatever it took because I know that it's gonna work. Like, if I know for 100% it's gonna work, you know? It's like, that's how I have to move, that's how I have to act. And I know I can do it, like I just have to really commit. So, yeah, y'all. It's honestly, I don't know how these next couple months, even years are gonna be, but one thing I do know is that I think it's time for me to commit, you know, to really go all in. Yeah. I'm excited for the future. I'm excited for the future with y'all. I'm excited to come hopefully meet y'all this year. Just super excited, and I cannot wait. Cannot wait. Okay guys, so I really like this gel, and I also really like this leave-in too. I'm gonna have them both linked down below so you guys can get them. But yeah, I really like these two products, and I actually really like them together. So my only hope or concern is that this gel holds for a long time like my Eco Styler gel normally does. It's feeling like it's going to, but I'm not sure, so we'll have to see on that. But I am loving this gel so far, and a lot of y'all kept coming for me yesterday because I've been wearing a bun all quarantine. I was just being lazy. I didn't feel like doing my hair, but here we are. But yeah, so I'm really glad I used this gel. I really like it a lot. Like, I will use it again. I will buy it again, and I'll probably just swap between the Eco Styler and this gel because I really like them. The only thing about this gel that I noticed about the Eco Styler gel is that's different from the Eco Styler gel is with this gel I feel like I have to use a lot more. Like with the Eco Styler gel I still use a lot, but this one I have to use even more because this gel is like, the consistency is different. I don't know that it's better or worse, but it's just different. Okay, so for those of you guys who this is your first time watching a video of mine, so you see all this white stuff, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn my head upside down, I'm gonna go to the sink, I'm gonna run my hand under the water, and then I'm gonna scrunch the water into my hair, and I just keep under the sink, scrunch, under the sink, scrunch, and it makes this go away, and it makes the curls more defined. So I'll be right back. And this is what happens. So, see, the curls are more defined, that white stuff goes away. It's like the best kept secret. I do this every time now. But I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Also, this stuff smells like kind of like pears. It has a nice little smell to it. Alright, and I'm done. So I'm gonna do the water thing right here, the rest of this, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, that's it. Hair is done. So what I'll do is I'll either let it air dry or I'll diffuse it. It's gonna shrink up, turn into an afro. I'll like pick it out with my fingers to make it like bigger. And then yeah, that's it. But as far as this gel goes, I don't know, let me know down in the comments. I always end my videos like this without my hair drying. Do y'all want to see the dry results? I mean, if you don't care, then I'll just keep doing this. But if y'all really want to see what it looks like when it dries, definitely let me know down in the comments below, because like nobody said anything about it, so I assume it's fine. But if y'all want to see, like, you want me to wait to see when it dries and come back and film, I can definitely do that. Don't have a problem doing that. But so far, The Wetline Xtreme is Kobe Lomax approved. I would recommend it. I like it a lot. I will definitely be buying this again and using it more. Like I said, I gotta see what it looks like when it dries, but right now it looks really good, like really good. Like I'm really happy with this. I honestly wish I would have tried this earlier because I would have been using this. Another side note that regular person wouldn't notice, but me personally I noticed, was I love that this gel is clear, because clear gels tend to mix better with leave-ins, and so I really loved that about this. That's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I say in every video, there's so many videos you could be watching right now, and the fact that you're watching mine means the world to me, and so I am so grateful and thankful to have your support and you being here. If you haven't subscribed already and you want to see more curly hair videos, then you could consider subscribing, and then like I said, leave a comment below. Let me know if you guys want me to start showing like the dry results. And then also if there's any other products that you want me to review, definitely let me know down below too, so I can get that done and do that. Yeah, that's a wrap, and I'll see you guys in the next video.